Welcome back, guys, to another video of In the Kitchen with Nikki and Mike. And today, guys, we're going to make one of my favorite recipes that Nikki made. Right here, guys. Scorched.
No, just some nice fried cabbage.
Fried cabbage. There you go, guys. Nikki's right here. She's going to give you the scoop.
Oh, sorry. I don't know where my hat was at. Hey, guys, what's up? All right, so anyway, we're going to make some cabbage. That's it. As you see what's going on here. Just introduce the ingredients. We got some bacon ends. Okay, if you don't have bacon ends, you know, you could just use bacon. All right, we got some black pepper, some accent, some seasoning salt, some red pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder. Today we're going to use some pepper, so I got a red and a green bell pepper. And, of course, to start the show, and that's a little sugar here. Start the show is our cabbage, okay?
All right, guys, we're going to get right into this video. But listen, I really strongly suggest buy these ingredients and make you some of this cabbage.
Oh, yeah, you know
this here is the real deal.
I'm missing a bit of onion, but I'll bring that in there, right?
Put a little bit of onion in.
Yeah, some onion.
And if you can't find bacon bits, guys, you can. What can they use as a substitute?
Bacon, I said. I told them bacon.
Oh, bacon. She already told you.
Well, piece of salt pork, something like that.
Salt pork, something like that.
Bacon, grease.
Bacon.
If you don't want to, you know, whatever. Something
all
like
right,
that.
you get the drift, guys. Yeah. We're going to get right into this video. Let's go. Fried cabbage.
All right, guys. So we back with our cabbage. So I just put about two kitchen spoons full of oil in the bottom of the pot. All right. And we're gonna go on with our bacon ends. Let that fry up a bit. Have this on a medium right now. Put some of that flavor from the bacon.
Guys, like I said, this is one of my favorite. Is it a vegetable? Cabbage a vegetable?
Yes, it is.
It's one of my favorite vegetables to eat, man. You know, I used to not like cabbage growing up. I really didn't. You know, like, when I grew up, most of the people made their cabbage, they like, I guess, steamed it or boiled it like that, and ugh. I really didn't like it. But then when Nikki come with this right here, this right here that's going on, fried cabbage, scorched cabbage, whatever you want to call it, this is what it is, guys. I mean, it's the same thing I guess you would do. You put your bits and all that in, and you steam it or boil it or broil it, whatever.
Yeah, they create some water, but we're not adding any.
Yeah, we're not adding any water. But this here, guys, if you don't like cabbage, if you don't like eating cabbage, guys, I suggest try this recipe. Try it out. You see where it's going. So you got what's some ham pieces?
Yeah, this is bacon ends. You know, like slab bacon, the ends of the slab bacon. I go get this from my butcher, and they sell them by the bags and stuff, you know? Sorry. Yeah. Oops, dropped one.
You see them, guys.
Yep, from your slab bacon.
Got that meat, that fatty piece, full of flavor.
Yeah.
Green onions, peppers, full of flavor. Full of flavor, guys.
So I took a half a bell pepper, half a onion, and half a green and red bell pepper, half an onion, and you know, chopped it up, sliced it up, diced it, however you want to do it. Yeah, I'm trying to pull some of the bacon fat from, you know, and like try to infuse the oil with it. It's all going to come together. And I ain't going to have y'all staring here watching, but I usually go ahead. But look, let's go ahead and add the cabbage now. So we got our cabbage that Mike nicely diced up and chopped up for me.
Hey.
Showing it.
Hey.
Thank you.
Gotta get you a cabbage chopper.
I got mine. Y'all can't have him.
I'm all Nikki's. So you add the cabbage in. Just like that, guys. Yo, you can make a whole meal. You can take this cabbage here. You can pair it with anything. It's that good. You can eat it by itself if you like cabbage like that. You'll see what I'm talking about at the end.
Yeah, this is some good cabbage, y'all. This is really good.
And you're going to put it all in there, and it's going to cook down. So don't worry about that.
Yeah, this is going to cook down. We put our lid on after a while. Like I said, it's going to create its own juices, too. Don't worry about that. It's not going to be your grandmother's cabbage.
Definitely not.
Okay?
This is going to be your cabbage if you make it.
It's going to be good. Good stuff.
So you always season your food.
Yep.
So just don't throw the cabbage in there with them bacon ends and be like, yo, this is what it is. That's not what it is. You throw that in, but then you want to take and add your seasoning. You want to put, I'm going to tell you what she's putting in here. She got her seasoning salt. Seasoning salt?
Seasoning salt.
Seasoning salt. You use whatever type of seasoning salt you like.
Now add our onion powder.
Little onion powder.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. And sometimes if you want, you can use fresh crushed
Yeah, if you want to.
garlic if you want. Yeah. Minced garlic, crushed garlic, whatever it is that you want. So always season your food. Here come the sneezing fest.
No, I hope not.
Incoming peppers. Here come the pepper.
Some black pepper.
Black pepper.
I'm doing good. No sniffle in this video.
And guys, you can add this, like I said, season your food of how you like it. Just don't put no bland cabbage in there and be like, yo, this is how Nikki made it. No, it ain't. You see what's going on here. It's a lot of cabbage. And this is all going to get mixed in. And this is quick. This recipe is not going to take hours.
It's about 20 minutes, y'all.
Come on, if you like what you see so far, guys, please hit that like button. Nikki's putting in his work in the kitchen. Guys, hit that like button, please. Now, if you're new to the channel, as always, I ask you to please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when that next video drop. Meal idea. Uploading weekly, guys. There it is. But you guys see what it is. We're going to go ahead and mix this. What happens now?
Alright, mixed up. I didn't put the sugar in yet. I'm going to add a little sugar, but I'm going to let it cook down so I can taste it. Then I'll come back and add the sugar. But what we're going to do now is just put our top on here, turn it down a little bit. I'm going to keep it on medium, but I turned it up a little higher because at the time I wanted my, I'm trying to get the bacon and stuff going. But turn it down on a medium, high, low type of thing. Medium, low. I'm using a gas stove, y'all. So we're going to cover this up. Alright. Yeah, just put on a lower flame. Alright? Not too high. Not too low. Okay? And that's pretty much it. We're going to let this sit on here for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'll come back, show y'all where it's at that point. Alright, guys. So we're back. Checking on our cabbage. See, it has went down a lot since we was in here. Shrunk. I know. I'm going to give it a taste, though.
Always taste it. You see it
coming. See what it need. No, I don't need no other seasoning. Gotta add my my sugar in there though. Let's see. There we go. Cook now. So now I'm sprinkle my sugar in there. See where we at with it. You don't have to add that. It's optional, but if you want to taste like mine, put a little in there. Ain't gonna make it taste sweet or anything like that. Just all balancing it. Cabbage is a little sweet too, so you're just helping it out a little bit. You know? Helping it out a little bit. A little bit more.
See how it went down, guys? I think the water is just gonna evaporate on out, right?
It's gonna evaporate on out. It's steaming on its own.
Yeah.
It's steaming down.
It's steam out, then it's gonna get
it's not
scorched.
the watery cabbage, but you're not pouring any water or any how you call it, any broth of any kind. See how I made
no broth,
some juices here?
no water. It is a vegetable, so it contains water.
Yep.
And when you get it,
bacon is gonna. Sorry.
it's gonna just steam on down. Just like you see here,
The
guys.
onions and green peppers is gonna bring that flavor. The bacon is bringing this flavor. You add your seasonings, as little as much as you like. You know. So I don't have any measurements for you, but just basically season it to your liking, okay?
I just see what it is. If you like where this is going, guys, I always ask, please hit that like button.
So we're gonna let this go. All right, we're gonna keep letting it go down. So it's gonna, like Mike said, it's gonna evaporate some of the water out. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we see you back at when it's done, when it's pretty much cooked.
All right, guys, here you go. Cabbage all cooked up, guys. Scorched cabbage. Fried cabbage. Here you go, guys. You see that? Nice pieces of, what, ham?
Basically bacon.
Yeah, basically bacon. The nice cabbage. Done up real nice, guys. Grab these ingredients, guys, and make you some of this. Like I said, you got to try out this recipe. It is delicious, guys. Delicious.
You gonna try it for them?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Of course, I can't pass a nice fork spoon of cabbage. And you can make this with rice. You can make your rice, guys.
Your rice, you can make mac and cheese, whatever is a side. It's a good side dish.
It's a side dish. Your mac and cheese, Sunday meal.
Your yams, you know, hook it up.
There we go. Let's see. See there, guys? On the outside, see the ham. Ham pieces. Nice cabbage. Gosh, this is going to be so good. Don't hate on me, guys.
What you tell them? Make you some.
Make you some. There you go, guys. I'm going there. Oh, man.
It's good, babe.
It's good. It tastes the sweetness. The ham pieces sets over the top. You can eat this just like it is. You trying to eat healthy? I guess. I don't know how healthy the ham is, but man, you can eat this any way it comes. But guys, if you like what you see here, guys, we always ask you to please subscribe to our channel.
Thank you guys for watching.
Hit that like button. Turn on your notification bell. And like Nikki said, thank you guys for watching.
Join the family.
Later.